She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a delicious and fruity recipe. As you can see, I have a wonderful fruit tart in front of me that's completely homemade, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ingredients on the screen. As you can see with this one, I went triple berry style. So yes, this is a triple berry fruit tart. So we have a wonderful homemade tart crust along with some delicious seasonal fruits. We've got some blueberries, some blackberries, and some raspberries. So that's why it is a triple berry fruit tart. So hopefully you guys are ready for this triple berry fruit tart. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, I definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Got a psycho trapped within, can't contain her, crawling underneath my skin. She's got humor, she's just one of a kind, out of mind. She's a rebel, always on the move. She's an outlaw, she's a bimbo and an info. Is she human? She's just one of a kind, out of her mind. Yeah. One too many times I wake up bruised. Oh, how she wears me down. She with everyone, no matter what I try to lose. Not shy to take a risk, but I love that. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go, no. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go, no. When I wake up in a funky mood, first instinct is to binge drink till I can't think. Life is pretty when you're out of your mind and f***ed up inside. Oh, one too many times I wake up bruised. Not shy to take a risk, but I love that. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go, no. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go, no. She's a part of me, I don't wanna let go. She's a part Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama's got me mad. And I don't need to tell you facts. You know I always want you back, girl. I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Sure you wanna die. Treat me nice and I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try? No, it's true. It's what we do. Yeah, I know. It's true. It's true. It's what we do. Yeah.
First of all, I got no regrets, but a twist and a turning, got no success. I remember the first time that we two met, the loving, the chugging, can't forget how you held me at my worst. See right through, know what I deserve. The same old story, reminding me, is it my way or your way? Makes my heart beat to the rhythm of us leaving. I know you better than you. You know me better than me. I know when looking at this that we can keep a secret.
I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Sure you wanna die. Treat me nice and I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try? It's true. It's what we do. I it's true, it's true, it's what we do.
Alright, you guys, so here is the triple berry fruit tart. Like I said, we got a homemade pastry cream custard along with a homemade shortbread tart crust, and then some nice delicious berries with the raspberries, the blackberries, and the blueberries. And I went ahead and put a fresh little sprig of mint in the middle. It smells so good. So let's go ahead and cut this open. And we're gonna give it a try. How many of you guys have actually had a fruit tart before? Fruit tarts are usually popular in the summertime because, of course, that's when fruit is usually at its peak. It's in the summertime. So a lot of people go for delicious fresh fruits in the summertime. I do love raspberries and blackberries and blueberries. So let's go ahead and see if we can cut this nice. You know, the first cut is sometimes the most crucial, especially when you're trying to get a nice presentation going on. Put that back. Alright, I think I've got it. Some of the berries are falling off. If you guys can see it. Alright. I kind of cheated. I already took a little bite. That's what it looks like. Definitely a banger for the summer, you guys. See that? We got the fresh fruit and the homemade pastry cream. Which the pastry cream is kind of similar to what you would eat if you ate like an eclair, donut. You know, it kind of has that cream in the middle of it. That's pretty much what the cream tastes like. So it's sweet. It almost tastes like a custard. And you've got this shortbread cookie crust on the bottom. It tastes almost like, you know, the pecan sandies. It kind of tastes like that. So just imagine that combination. A good pecan sandy cookie with a little bit of maybe some cream on top and some fruit. It's light. Yeah. I feel like I'm actually eating a substantial dessert, you know what I mean? I got that nice crust. See that? Nice cookie crust on the outside. With the fresh berries. It's a triple threat on the berries, you guys. You could also do this with any other kind of fruit as well. I once made another fruit tart and it had every kind of fruit. Kiwis, pineapples, oranges, strawberries, blueberries. Pretty much all colors of the rainbow. But in this case, I wanted to bring you guys the triple berry. Maybe look at that. This custard is very, very light and delicious. It's not over too sweet. Everything goes together very well. Alright, you guys, so I definitely recommend you guys give this a try. Put your own spin on it. Go ahead, add whatever kind of fruit you want. If you do want to stick with the berry theme, you could go with so many other different types of berries, not just these. You can pick whatever ones that you like. Or, like I said, if you want to go the other route and just put all kinds of fruit on there, go ahead and check out my video where I made a fruit tart and it's got a nice little glaze on top. There's no glaze on top of here, but figured all the berries and its freshness would be just fine. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite berry is. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you are still not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new recipe. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.